Huw Irranca-Davies.
Diolch. I and Llyr Griffiths and many others throughout the land are currently sprouting facial hair at this very moment, this very Movember, to raise awareness and funds for research into prostate cancer and also wider issues of men's health, including mental health and testicular cancer. Why the moustaches? Because people ask us, what's it all about? Are we doing it for a bet or worse? And then we can tell them, because now we're talking, which men don't tend to do very well on these matters. It's a bit of fun with a serious purpose. The Movember Foundation is a global men's health charity which raises funds to deliver innovative breakthrough research that enables men to live happier, healthier and longer lives. Millions have joined the movement, raising over £440 million and funding over 1,200 projects focusing on prostate cancer, testicular cancer and suicide prevention. The Foundation encourages men to stay healthy in all areas of their lives with a focus on becoming more open to discussing their health and significant moments in their lives. So a quick mention for all those involved in cutting-edge research, such as Prostate Cymru and Prostate UK, and for those involved in the Men's Shed movement, which began in Wales in Tondy, and to all those others who seek to improve men's mental and physical health. I thank the presiding officer for letting us raise these important matters of men's health here in our Assembly, and by doing so, speaking to Wales. We all need to talk more about this, and we need to act, and we hope our little moustaches may help. Happy Movember.